Hi everybody, today I am going to show you guys 3 of the best trading indicators for scalping that when used together have been getting a ridiculous win rate. These indicators are incredibly accurate and will help you make money while scalping the markets. Again, nothing in this video is financial advice, I'm just sharing it with you guys because I thought it was pretty useful. It's all for informational purposes only. Alright, so let's get into this. So we are going to be using these 3 indicators. These 3 indicators are very well known. They're unknown as a combination together. This is great for 1-minute scalping or 5-minute scalping. So we're going to take a look at 1-minute scalping. This is what your chart is going to look like when we are done setting up the indicators. So I'll cross out these so I can show you guys how to set up your charts. So we're going to add 3 indicators to start off with. So the first one we're going to add is called the STC, and you're going to pick this one, the STC indicator by Cheyenne Kai M. Add that, and we're going to make some changes to it because I like my charts looking clean. Going to settings, I'm just going to take off the plots because we're going to be using this STC indicator in a much different way than normal. We just care about the green and the reds. We don't care about the levels. The next indicator that we're going to choose is the moving average exponential. We're going to make a change to that as well. Go into settings, I'm going to turn this into yellow, and I like it looking a little bit thicker, and then go into inputs and change the length from 9 to 200. Because this is what we're going to use to give us the bigger trend of the market to see if the market's trending up or down. The last indicator that we're going to add to this is called a trend trader strategy. Trend trader strategy by a Potter. This is the one that we're going to add, and guess what? Your charts are ready to go. So now that we have the charts the way we want them to be, let's get into the strategy. So when you're going along on a long position, this is what you need to follow. I'll show you guys some examples as well. So rule number 1, the price action needs to be above the 200 EMA, like here. So make sure if you're looking for long positions, the price action is above the 200 EMA. Rule number 2, you're going to wait for a dip and for the candles to turn red. So basically, you're going to wait for the candles to turn red and you're going to wait for them to turn green again, like right here. Number 3, when you're going to enter, the candle needs to be green and above the trend trader indicator. And then the 4th rule is that the STC needs to be green, as it is right here. Okay, so now let me show you guys what I mean by this. So basically, this is a good long trade example. We have a trend going up, price actions above the 200 EMA. This is one of the cool things about the strength trader strategy is even with the little blips, you'll still get green candles to kind of show you that it's still an uptrend market. Here, we wait for the candles to turn red right, and then they turn green again here. And they close above the trend indicator right, and finally the STC is also green. That's when you do the buy signal, and that's when you get into the trade. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at what do we do for stop loss and take profit on this. So in the long positions, because this is a 1-minute scalp, I like to put my stop loss and take profit to be pretty tight. So here I'm going to do stop loss at just below the recent swing low, and we're going to do a 1-to-1 ratio. And we'll hit profit here. So we would have hit take profit in just a few minutes. If you guys are enjoying this video and are finding this useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And hit the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos to help you become a more profitable trader. Now we're going to take a look at the short positions. So now let's look at the rules for the short strategy. So when you're trying to go short, rule number 1 is that the price action should be below 200 EMA. Rule number 2, wait for green candle to be red and below trend trader indicator. And then number 4, STC needs to be red. And that's why I really don't care what the plotting is over here because we're just looking for the red or the green. Let's have a look at an example for a short trade. Here you start getting green candles which turn red and closes below the trend trader indicator. And the STC is red. You can get in right there and we'll close our stop loss right above the recent swing high. And you do a 1-to-1 take profit to stop loss ratio. So this would have had to take profit. Right there. You'll have to follow the rules properly and strictly to gain advantage from this strategy. This is a very profitable strategy if you use it wisely. If you also want to make money with this strategy or with cryptocurrencies, then you can also open an account on Bitget. I trade on this exchange myself and every new user is entitled to a $3,000 sign-up bonus. You can easily claim the bonus in the rewards center. Bitget is a reliable exchange where you can easily open buy and sell positions. As you can see, I myself have over $93,000 on this exchange and currently have a buy position open with over $13,000 profit. You can visit Bitget using the link below this video. Only if you use the link under this video, you are entitled to the $3,000 sign-up bonus. Take a quick look because this promotion is only temporary. I will show you some more examples of the strategy now, so you can see that it is really profitable. Here also, the price action is below the 200 EMA and you start getting green candles which turn red and closes below the trend trader indicator. And the STC is red. You can get in right there and close our stop loss right above the recent swing high. And for 1-to-1 take profit to stop loss ratio. This would have hit take profit right there. I hope you guys learned this basic strategy. It's super easy to follow. It's very profitable if you utilize properly. Check out one of these other videos of mine to learn more about some other scalping trading strategies using some of the best trading view indicators, and make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.